Hello, Leanne. I can give you an angel card, okay? Please share. Leanne, through energies, I'm getting somewhere. You're withdrawing your energy. You need to take action on something in your family life. I see around you or something. You're like not taking action. Through energies, I'm getting like you have to move forward to take action. I don't know about what, but if you want me to see depth, I can do it. Not here, but strongly I'm getting you're silent about something. You need to take action about that matter. I don't know like what it is telling. For more clear, if I need to say, I have to pull more cards. So the energy is giving me this message, okay? Ace of Swords represents you are lagging in something. You need to take action on something, okay? So you got Ace of Swords. Kananya, for depth reading, if you want to book your slot, you can directly message me, DM me, and you can book your slot through payment, which is not so expensive. You get 30 to 40 minutes of unlimited questions you can ask there, and you get solution and remedies too. So Anne Williams, please share. Chaitra Vijay, welcome. So Leanne, are you there? I'm unable to see how many people are here. I don't know why. Some network issues. Maybe my internet is lagging or something. I can't see. Leanne, yes, it is showing me same, but two, three people are messaging me, but I don't know why. Two, three people are here, I'm feeling, but only one it is showing. Anne Williams, please share. Okay, let us start now with Leanne. Leanne, from your energy, what I got is something you're not taking action in your life. Maybe you're silent about the things, or something you already know, or something like that, but something you need to take action about it, about the matter. So, Ace of Swords you got. Maybe regarding the question you asked, regarding that it might be. So do you have plans for traveling, or do you have plans for like having some free time to your family or something like that? So you're waiting for something. Definitely there is a waiting energy here, Leanne. From your side, I don't know for what you're waiting. Don't wait anymore. You have to take action. You have to initiate the things. Through energies, I'm getting like you have to initiate the things. For something you're waiting for, that I'm telling. So this is your reading, Leanne. No, you have to take action, Leanne. Something is telling me you have to take action, because from your side only it moves forward. So I see some movement or positive changes from your side. So move ahead, okay, Leanne. Don't wait anymore. You can have a strength, have a faith, have a hope, and just go for it, okay? So this was your strong energy connection reading which I got. This is not angel card or angel guidance. This was energy reading, how I do. So Leanne, thank you. So I don't know, like something you have to take action. Maybe all the best for it. Thank you. Guys, I'm trying to do energy messages whom I'm drawn to. It's not for everybody. If you can wait, you can wait. Otherwise, you can donate for your energy reading, or for the questions. I'm only seeing for the people who I'm drawn to. Please share. I don't see Anne Williams sharing, and she's posting questions. Please share. Welcome, Lehan. People can donate also. You can donate also always. I appreciate. There is a PayPal link. There is a Google Pay, Phone Pay also, same number you can use. Only I'm giving a energy reading. So Anne Williams, I don't see sharer tag. I don't know whether you can see sharer tag. If you can see, then it is my I think so. It is not only for you. Everybody has sharer tag, and only you don't have. I don't think my network is lagging. Maybe you are not sharing correctly. Anne Williams, I need to see share a tag. Erinomo Junior. Okay. We'll block this person. Okay. I don't want spammers here. I don't know whether they can watch me or something. Whenever I come live, there are so many people spamming in the name of Shri Tarot. If anybody texts you for the private personal readings, don't do. But from my profile, you never get a message like that personally for a paid session or asking for amount. But if you get from anybody else asking that Shri Tarot or something like that, please don't respond to them. It won't be me. Ashu Singh, I'm seeing yes, definitely you will pass your exams. Ashu Singh, so I see something you want to pass and you want to get settled for the financial security, something like that I'm feeling. Definitely your energy is telling me a lot about finance, for the security, for the finance security mainly. So I think positive changes coming in your way. So thank all the best. Guys, please share, support Zaryab Gul. Zaryab Gul, please share. Ayman Abid, please post in English. So where is Anne Williams? I see her sharing so much. Okay, will me and my guy move forward together in relationship, please? Anne Williams, please send me fast about your partner name. I need his name. I see strongly I'm feeling somebody's energy is like somebody's energy is like they're willing to have more security, or they want a freedom from something, they want to come out for the balance, something like that I'm feeling. I don't know who is it. If anybody is reciprocating the same thing as I told, can please answer me. Anne Williams, there is a lover's card for you. This is a major arcana card which is giving you a lot of positive sign. It signifies for the soulmate and for the twin flame. So I see there is long-term goals with you, with your partner. I see for the long term, maybe there is a lot of plans. Actually, it will work for you. Maybe if you both plan in a mutual way, there is definitely a positive moment forward in your relationship. So thank you, Anne. Aishwarya Shri Siraj, I'm feeling somebody's energy is like they want to balance. They have to come out of everything and they have to balance. Like they can't stay there, or they can't stay anymore in that situation. They have to come out and then balance their life. Who is that? I don't know whom I'm drawn to because there are so many people here. I'm feeling lot of different energy, but strongly I'm feeling this main what I have said right now. Anne Williams, I think yes, Anne Williams, this is your guy. Definitely, he's like you want to come out of something and you want to try new things. Yes, and yes, definitely this is he only. I'm feeling right because I see a man here. Once you said that the card came out, and one more thing was Knight of Swords represents you want to take fast action for his relationship or for his finance security for the long term, something like that. I'm feeling definitely this is your boyfriend. I think so only I asked name. So if I would have got the name, I would have decided it's him only because sometimes energies connect to the names. Thanks, Han. Okay. So I don't know whom I'm drawn to. I'm gonna just do the energy readings now. Somebody has health issues or something like that. I feel maybe bothering about their family members, some health issues. Anne Williams, no, right now, okay, right now I felt that was E only because it was confirmed by my spirit's guides, so that is completely 100% your guy, the energy what I felt. So it was very depth connection actually from your side. You have a lot of strong bond with him. I see that. So why so easily I got connected. So all the best for your future. I see very much. Compatibility in future for you both. Okay, so all the best. Who is having health issues? I think if you are not having, definitely somebody related close to your heart or somebody near you, dear ones or something. I see some health problems or something like back pain and regarding physical body pains. I'm feeling the left side and the back. Swapna, welcome. You want to know about your husband, dear? You'll have to share our sharer tag. It's not like I need his name and you have to ask the specific question. If I get connected to you, like Anne Williams, okay, maybe still I'm connected to him. Okay, fine. Okay, Anne Williams, okay, thank you. It's almost connected. Anne Williams, I'm like very depth connected actually. I think this is for you only I'm giving. So somebody here has a lot of conflicts at their home, maybe misunderstandings or maybe ego attitude, like no give up. I don't see give up. There is equal give and take in conflicts, in talking, the rash talking, something like that. Is somebody there? Like what I'm sensing right now, I feel somebody is there here who is going through this. Can I know who is that? Because I'm connecting to energies and I'm trying to give a reading. I'm not pulling any cards. Vandana near, I don't know, somebody in family or maybe with the people around them or partners. I see conflict. I see conflict and I see equal give and take in talking. And Williams, this is not for you. I'm not doing your reading right now. And Williams, it's definitely somebody here, not you. But I'm feeling different energy right now. ನಾನು ಲೈವಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Is there somebody who is having fights or conflicts in relationship? Like it's like I am the best, you are the best, something like that. More talks is going in that way. More disagreements on the things or in the opinions, difference of opinions. Only with the opinions there are a lot of fights. Rita Shah, is that you? Can I know the name, Rita, about your partner name? Different opinions, because of this only there is a major fights or conflicts always. Like one is not calming down themselves. They want their opinion to win or something like that. But this is every time, not one time. Is that you, Rita? Every time it happens to you? Okay. Is he better in his finance? No, one person should calm down. I'm getting through energies that if you reduce your patience, if you like increase your patience level, and if he reduce his ego, attitude, or the opinions what he forms, like you want to win final conversation, so you don't want to give up. So final you have to give him a tuck and you have to leave, but there is not like that. I see if you go like this, it goes more worst in your relationship. I see there is a finance, promotion or something in future for your man. I see something in his way, but you need to first settle down his family first. You have to balance here first for this. So this is for you, Rita, okay? So that's all I can give. If you are interested to book your slot for a private, then we can connect more deeply and I can give you more depth reading for 30 to 40 minutes. You can choose your slot and duration. Did somebody lose a family male person by in last year or in this coming year, in this year, maybe the present year. Did somebody lose anybody? I see somebody lost some person, male person actually is a male. So maybe is related. I don't know how he relates you, but in your family, I see somebody, male person, due to health problems and stuffs like virus or health problems, some issues, you have lost. Is there somebody like that here? Did somebody lose a male family male person this year or last year? Can you people hear me? Is there a network lagging? Can you hear me? Is it lagging still? Okay, I think some female or a male person somebody lost in their family last year or this year. I sent somebody uh, from my spirit guides. I'm getting some message like somebody lost. Rita Shah, is this yours only? Is this your reading only still? I am in. Okay. I was talking about a male person. Yes, definitely. Rita. Yes. This is okay. Your grandfather. Rita, actually, I'm getting a message from him. Like, uh, I don't know whether he was connected to you or no, but I'm getting the message from him. Like something you have to maintain and go for the long term, or something. He has some hope in you that you'll maintain things well, or you may take the positive direction to settle families in your like settle your family. So do you hear me? Can you hear me? But you have two options, but you are blindfolded. I don't know, something is telling uh, two of cups is left, as two of swords are left and two of cups is left, but you're sad. He's conveying something. He's telling you to be careful with his I don't know, like your husband or something is giving some guidance to be like a empress in a family, to have patience, to not act too much in the wild situations or something like that. There is a changes coming, the chariot card, there is a positive changes coming in finance for your husband maybe. So Rita, can you hear me? I don't know, she's not replying me. Okay, he was 92, that was her last message. Can everybody hear me? I don't know, my network is lagging or something. Sarabjit, can you hear me? Sarabjit, some conflicts are going in your place. I see same energy with you. There is Five of Wands where you're it might be competition for a job or something like that. You're in a competition world, maybe too much of ups and downs. But I don't see right now. I see very slow moment for you for the job. But definitely if you take a effort, I can give you a time frame, but I need to see your effort. You're just resting, you're in the resting mode right now. You'll have to come out of this. You can't wait jobs to come at your doorstep. You have to take action, you have to work on it actually. I think you'll have to take some exams or something. Government job requires some things actually. You'll have to you have to process that first. You'll have to progress in that first. There is I don't know what kind of job you are looking for in government, but for the every job there is a respect there, and for every job there is certain things you'll have to be followed. There is a rules and regulation where you need to be followed. Maybe you don't have any like you're not aware of things about it, I think. But definitely once you do all those, within 5 months I see some changes coming in your way in job. Okay, so all the best, Sarabjit. Can you people hear me? I'm not getting any answers. I don't know why. I'm thinking nobody can hear me or something like that. If you people answer me so I can do next question. People who donates can get priority reading and more depth reading. So you can donate for your reading. So I appreciate for donations, and I even prioritize the questions who donate. Manisha, hello. Manisha, can you hear me, Manisha?